If you think it's too late to decorate for Halloween, pause right here because it's not. Everything spooky chic is on clearance. So I'm about to show you how I gave my living room a quick Halloween glow up in under 30 minutes and on a budget. Hey y'all, it's Kat from LaniDoesIt.com, where DIY magic meets stylish home vibes. This is proof that even the smallest changes can make a big impact in any room, even if you're last minute decorating. You know who you are. Here's my living room before, my usual modern glam, just missing the spooky vibes I absolutely love this time of year. So, starting with these Halloween pillow covers from Amazon for less than $22 for all 4. So that's fast delivery, great price, and really good quality, and really good reviews. Even if these sell out, there are lots of other spooky variations for around the same price. I am so glad I picked out these pillow covers. I will be popping them right over my existing pillows. The 2 different sets coordinate fabulously together in my space, and they look even better in person. Most importantly, no random loose threads, and the zipper closure isn't janky at all, so easy to insert and remove when ready. Seasonal transitions don't have to be hard, y'all. One pillow swap and boom. Modern glam turns spooky glam. Do you see it? Spooky glam, modern glam. Spooky glam, modern glam. Now for my coffee table. For the centerpiece, I found this iron pumpkin that comes in both black and gold. I bet you can guess which color I went with. Yep, gold. And they are being sold at Aldi for $14.99. For my existing floral vases, I swapped out the pink and white stems with dark gray flowers from Michael's clearance, and a few old black ones I already had. I realized I forgot to grab a candle while out, so I spray painted an old pillar candle black, which I already had for umpteen years, to go inside the pumpkin centerpiece. Then decided to use a dark gray creepy cloth as a table runner from the Dollar Tree and scattered it with a handful of my existing Halloween fall accent favorites. Easy, fast, and budget friendly. Now here's a reminder of the before. Now here's the final budget living room Halloween glow up. A cozy, elevated, spooky glam living room with just a few simple swaps. The best part? These warm fall tones work even after Halloween, so I can keep this look through November. So if you've been thinking it's too late to decorate for spooky season, this is your sign. Grab those clearance finds, repurpose what you already own, and make your space festive. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and visit LaniDoesIt.com for more glam DIY inspo. Stylish, simple, and spooky on a budget. That's how Lani does it. Until next time, y'all, thanks for watching.